Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, we are now on 3.5 fe 2gr-fe, yeah, engine. We're having here a bad. Let me bring it clear. A bad piston, and it has condensed some of these rings here. So with this, we are not gonna condemn the engine with this. Rather, we have to get this piston back. We have to get the piston and the rings and fix the engine. Yeah, here I've gotten the rings and I've dressed some ones here. This is the oil ring, and I've dressed some. So we have a good cylinder here. We have a good cylinder here. They are all okay. But the only bad thing we have here, the only fault we have here, just this piston has cracked here, and this other one too. Yeah. So we're not gonna condemn this engine because of this fault. But I know many people believe, as in this kind of fault, that you have to change this engine. But this engine, wow, it's a big amount of money if you choose buying another engine. But after working the engine, yeah, it will be very good, to be fine. Yeah, I'm on the it now. I'm just testing some of the rings with a rough sandpaper, and there's one of the new rings I bought. Yeah, let me get a carton. NP, yeah, NP. That is a good rings. It's original rings. So I'm on it. Let me first thing else couple up the dressing up the rings, then fix up all the piston, then I'll be right back. Thanks.